Let's talk about the difference between prompt engineering and context engineering. The most important thing to know is that prompt engineering is not the same as context engineering. The easiest example to understand this whole topic is when you think about cooking. You have your recipe, that's the prompt, and you have the ingredients, that's the context. Prompt engineering is when someone is writing the recipe. The better the recipe is structured and is easier to follow, the easier it is for you to finish that recipe. Context engineering, that's actually the grocery shop. When you go to the store and you make sure all the ingredients that are needed for the recipe that you want to finish are there. And context engineering is gathering all the data, all the information that your AI tool or AI agent needs in order to be able to give answer to the prompt that you give it to them. So you need to focus obviously on writing a good recipe, a good prompt, but you also need to focus, and you need to focus a lot more on providing the correct context, the correct ingredients to your AI tool. The concept of prompt engineering and context engineering is relevant for everything, even when you just use regular ChatGPT or you are building your own AI agents in N8N or any other framework. If we take the example of the regular ChatGPT, when you are writing the prompt, so let's say you want ChatGPT to create a marketing plan for you. You can send this prompt that we have over here, create a marketing plan for my company, but this is just a prompt. When you think about context engineering, you should at least give your website to ChatGPT, and if possible, you can give the targets that you want to achieve, the sales data, and information about your audience. With this information, you already give a lot more context than just a simple prompt to ChatGPT. And AI can understand, okay, what are your targets? What are your sales? From which channel they came? Why did that work? And who is your target audience? As soon as it gets this information, the answer you will get is a lot better. And if you don't trust me, just go ahead and try it. Send the prompt without the context and send the prompt with the context. The difference between the two answers that you will get from AI is going to be night and day. To give you an idea, at BackdropBoost we have a business HQ folder where we collect all the relevant information about marketing and about our business, which we can use when we are writing blogs, when we are writing ad copy, when we are creating video script, and so on. And then we can use the help of AI to speed that process up. But without context, we won't get the same results. And since we provide context, we can definitely rely on all kinds of AI tools to help us. This was the day 9 update of Building BackdropBoost, and I hope I made a bit clear what the difference is between prompt and context engineering. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment. If you need some prompt templates, let me know and I can send you some.